Hi, welcome back to Examining Life, a life that's worth living. My name is Amanda. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And first, I would like to thank my subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. And also, if you haven't already, please go ahead and click the red rectangle to subscribe. I'd also like to thank my patrons. Thank you very much for your donations. I greatly appreciate your support. And today I am at the University of Ghana, and today's question is, what are the benefits of living in a communal society? And the reason why I'm asking this is because when I studied here about 5 years ago, I got the impression that priorities in society were more for the community rather than the individual. So in American society, we're more individualistic. We want to do what's best for us as an individual and not really necessarily taking into account for the whole community or the whole family. Not to say that what benefits me can't also benefit the community or our families, because in many times it does, but the mindset, at least, it seemed to be more communal based here. So that is why I am asking this question. When I took a tour of the Jamestown part of Accra, the tour guide brought us actually to his friend's house in a traditional communal neighborhood. And basically the way that it was set up was it had various kind of alleys or paths that connected the houses together, and they all led to a main common area, which is where everyone would go to eat. It would also serve as a living room kind of area. And also, if it was very hot on a particular day, people also sleep outside. They'll bring their mattresses and sleep in the common area outside. So basically this was a very important part of the neighborhood, because that's where everyone met and hung out and spent a lot of their days. So that was also interesting to experience and just cool to see how someone lives on a daily basis. Alright, so today I am speaking with Benjamin. And what are the benefits of living in a communal society?
To live in a communal society, that means you are living in a place that, it benefits the whole society, not individuals. And so one benefit that communal society can bring to us is the fact that when you are doing something that is in the interest of the whole society, one, it doesn't bring competition for individuals. At the end of the day, everybody is doing something to benefit everybody. So you don't have the place where somebody is doing something for the person to be classified as the highest or the lowest. And then the second point is it brings equality amongst people. So at the end of the day, when you have resources for the community, everybody is benefiting from the same percentage, from the same number. And so there is no bias between sharing this one getting more than the other. And so these are some of the benefits. And then maybe the third benefit I would like to add is the fact that it brings unity in the society. It doesn't bring chaos. When people live in a place that there is equality, this one respects each other, there is equal ratio. It brings that kind of unity. You know that at the end of the day, we are one. Whatever I get is for everybody. Yeah. It's not for individuals. And the fourth point I would like to do is it promotes national unity, and then it enhances development. In the sense that when there is unity, everybody comes together to build something in the nation. And so that's probably what I would have to say about communal society.
So what are the benefits of living in a communal society?
It helps in maintaining the society. Like if there is gutters which are choked and other things and they clean, it helps to make the community clean, which is also a process of helping to maintain the community and making it clean. Yes.
Yeah, which benefits everybody.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
It improves a lifelong communication skills, and then understanding among people, then critical thinking among people living in a community. It helps one to develop his or her abilities. It helps the person know what he or she is about.
Like communal society is we are all in a community, so it deals with interpersonal relationship. So it helps you boost your interpersonal relationship skills, then also introduce you to new people, both adult than younger than you.
So you can learn from
other people, yeah.
and you can also help other people
Yes,
as well.
yes, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
First of all, a community is a place where a group of people live together with peace and unity, respect each other, and like live together as a family. The people living in the community can work together as one and help with cleanup exercises, communal labors, and share ideas together as to how to build the community and the nation, and learn new things, meet new people, learn things from people, and people learn from you. Live together as families to develop the nation.
So today I'm speaking with Fred. What are the benefits of living in a communal society?
Based on my experience, I think I've had my school fees paid by a neighbor. I've had my hunger quenched sometimes by a neighbor. Picked up some lifestyle habits from other neighbors. So I think communalism or living in a communal society is great. It has helped me. There are pros and cons though, but I would like to stick with the pros. The introduction of formal education has some way distorted our roots of communalism, especially in Accra. The urbanization and all, it has somehow distorted our communalism, which we ought to bring back.
So today I'm speaking with Princess. So what are the benefits of living in a communal society?
Well, you get family support in all things. You know you can count on people to help you with decision making. And then you know that when you are in a dire situation, you have people to help you out. So that's basically support for starters. And then secondly, also, for instance, if there's a conflict, something like that, you have people looking out for you, trying to protect you, people fighting for you.
You mentioned like help with decision making as well. What's a decision that, say, the community might help you make?
In a little village where no one has had the benefit of having university education, once you do well in school, it's very likely people would support you to go to school because they want to get someone who has also attended university from their community, right? So you get people coming to your house, trooping to your home with food stuff, you know, a few clothes here and there, some money sometimes, trying to get you to enter schools. An individual may say, I'll not go to school again because I don't have money, but the community will say, no, you can go to school, we'll support you. And so those are some of the things that have to do with, you know, decision making. I mean, sometimes it's not always the best, but if you want to marry another person from another community, the community may say, no, we don't want you to marry from that community because they are our enemies or something like that. So they help in decision making, although the decisions are not always the best or for always the positive reason.
So today I'm speaking with Daniel. And what are the benefits of living in a communal society?
Like you see a lot of developments in your community and also education.
How does education impact the community?
Add a lot of ideas, you understand, to the community that you live in, and also it helps you as an individual to get knowledge.
So what are some ideas or values that your community has?
We learn from each other, especially in our culture. We learn from each other. Our culture, we learn from one generation to another, and it helps us a lot.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below what you think are the benefits of living in a communal society. And if you like my videos, please feel free to share with anyone who you think may like them too. And I would like to thank everyone who spoke with me today. Thank you very much for participating in my project. Happy travels. Bye.